Apartments are high-rise private residence in a building that divided into several separate dwelling. Apartment building we mostly see on city is due to increased population and higher land value. In this video, we examine different types of dwelling, room size, ventilation, visual privacy, open space, services, and more. Stick with us till the end. Studio apartment is small room apartment where living space, bed space, a kitchen are adjusted in one room. Minimum 30 square meter required for studio apartment. 1 BHK, 1 bedroom with hall and kitchen. Minimum 45 square meter is required. Two BHK, 2 bedroom with hall and kitchen. Minimum 70 square meter is required. 3 BHK, 3 bedroom with hall and kitchen. Minimum 90 square meter is required. Penthouse refers a separate smaller house that was constructed on the roof of an apartment. It is a luxurious multiple apartment unit. Balconies that are safe and appropriately designed can provide space for view. A balcony with minimum depth of 2 meter is appropriate for 2 BHK apartment and fits a table and 2 to 4 chair. A balcony for 3 BHK has minimum depth 2.4 meter, fits a table and 4 to 6 chair. Solid, partially solid or transparent fence and balustrade are selected to respond to the location. Building layout should maximize balcony use by allowing access from the main living area and bedroom if possible. Secondary balconies provide from access from kitchen. Living room and private space of at least 70% of apartment in building receive a minimum of 3 hours direct sunlight. Living areas are best located to the south and service areas to the north of apartments. Shading devices such as external louvers, eaves, pergola helps to prevent the direct sun radiation enter the room. It helps to reduce the reliance on artificial lighting and heating. To reduce your bill, you can use Solar Switch. Solar Switch is a smart MIT-inspired solar panel tower which only takes your 5% of your space and gives 10 times more power than traditional solar panel. It can cut off the power bill up to 65%. Click the link in description below to get more information on this. Visual privacy allow residents to use their private space without being overlooked. Building up to 4-story, habitable to habitable room should be distant 6 meters from each other. Habitable to non-habitable room should be distant 6 meter from habitable and 3 meter from non-habitable room. From 5 to 8-story, habitable to habitable room should be distance 9 meter from each other. Habitable to non-habitable room should be distance 9 meter from habitable and 4.5 meter from non-habitable room. Above 9-story, habitable to habitable room should be distance 12 meter from each other. And habitable to non-habitable is 12 meter from habitable and 6 meter from non-habitable room. All habitable room should be naturally ventilated. The building orientation maximize the capture and use of prevailing breezes for natural ventilation in habitable rooms. Window opening should be minimum at least 5% of floor area. Effective cross ventilation is achieved when the inlet and outlet have approximately the same area. Properties located near major road and beneath flight path can be subjected to noise and poor air quality. Non-residential use are located at lower level, vertically separating the residential component from the noise or pollution source. Limiting the number and size of opening facing noise source help to reduce noise. Providing seal to the window help to prevent noise transfer through gaps. Deep soil zone are areas of soil not covered by building or concrete structure. It allows to infiltration of rainwater to groundwater table and reducing stormwater runoff. It also helps to growth of large trees, which assist with temperature reduction. Deep soil zone should be at least 7% of the site area. So these are some guidelines to help you to make apartment design better.